Today, in the state of Maryland, it's 45 degrees Fahrenheit sunny. Feels like 44 degrees. Wind 3 miles per hour. Visibility 9.9 mile. Barometer 30.24 inch. Humidity more than 80%. And finally, dew point 37 degrees. As you may notice, tomorrow is Columbia's Day. Around 69 degrees, sunny. And even it's going to be cold outside and it's chilly. So with the radar, so it's showing it's quiet and empty. There's no rain, there's no snow. So around in the state of Maryland with these speeding miles per hour with the wind, we're right here in Baltimore, it's 6 miles per hour. Same thing in Westminster and even in Salisbury. The highest number is going to be Annapolis around 9 miles per hour. Cambridge, 8 miles per hour. With the 5 miles per hour, it's going to be in Cumberland, Hagerstown, Frederick, and Washington. So we're in the blue. We do have clouds, but there won't be a lot of clouds because if you look outside, it's going to be blue. Blue skies. Not no white skies because there's no clouds. So that was from 7 a.m. and right now we are in 9 a.m. So I'll say it again, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. However, clouds are going to be moving anyway right here in the state of Maryland on the land and on the ocean on the water, which is blue. So the direction of the clouds are going to be around the eastbound side. Humidity are showing 50%, which is in Baltimore and Annapolis. The highest number of percentage, which is in Cambridge. The rest are going to be over 50%. Visibility. So we are in more than 30 miles per hour, and we are in more than 12, which is the color of gray. Everywhere in Maryland and the rest of the United States, it's going to be gray of more than 12.4 mile. Everywhere in Maryland are going to be over 30 mile. And including Baltimore, we are in 32.3 mile. With the pressure are going to be in Baltimore and the rest of the Maryland where you live. So, ladies and gentlemen, in Baltimore are going to be 30.2 inch. Annapolis, 30.23 inch. Cambridge, 30.24 inch. Salisbury, 30.20. Lexington Park, 30.25 inch. And the rest, which is in Cumberland, Hagerstown, Westminster, Frederick, Washington, and that's it. It's going to be nearly 30 mile. So we are in the blue. Notice in Cumberland, if you live in Garrett's County and even Allegheny County, showing the light green and blue, going to be more than 27. Therefore, it's 28.78 inch. With the dew point, it's going to be 39 degrees Fahrenheit. So we have some are going to be on the 30s and some are going to be on the 40s in Maryland. Air quality. So that's air quality index. Some are going to be nearly 20 degrees and some are going to be more than 20 degrees. Like in Baltimore, we are in 1 inch closer to 2020. And you may notice that everywhere in Maryland are going to be green. That means we're in nearly 20 degrees and more than 20 degrees, which is the green. The wildfire. You may notice that, ladies and gentlemen, surface smoke, light, everywhere in Maryland are going to be gray, therefore it's light. Nothing else. So we're going to skip with the winter weather because we're not on the winter yet. We're in almost towards the fall. With the severe weather, in Hagerstown, Frederick, and the rest of the Maryland cities where you live, which is in, So I'll say it again. Hagerstown, Frederick, Westminster, and the rest we have is moderate. That means it's yellow. Cumberland in Garrett County, you are in the extreme red. And some are going to be quiet and empty. So some are going to be quiet and empty. However, Hagerstown, Frederick, Westminster, and the rest are going to be moderate, which is yellow. And Cumberland are going to be the extreme red. So pollen. You are looking at right now in the state of Maryland, we are in the moderate yellow. On the lower of the 30s, which is nearly 40 degrees, and the high are going to be 50s. Like we're more than 50s in Annapolis, Westminster, Washington, and that's it. And for you, ladies and gentlemen, Cumberland, you're in nearly 40 degrees. For you, Hagerstown, Frederick, Baltimore, Salisbury, Cambridge, and so on are going to be nearly 50 degrees and even more than 40 degrees. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the yellow. Notice on the middle are going to be almost towards orange of high. So we're gonna have to skip the precipitation because there's no precipitation, which is in the state of Maryland. However, it's quiet and empty. Let's focus on the temperatures. Temperatures are going to be nearly 50 degrees in Cumberland, but mostly in the state of Maryland where you live, it's going to be more than 50 degrees and even the even numbers of 50 degrees Fahrenheit, which is in Hagerstown, Westminster, Frederick. And the rest are going to be more than 50 degrees. As you can see here, we are in the green stuff. Notice on the Garrett County on the left, it's going to be almost towards blue and purple, but mostly purple. So we do have some are going to be nearly 40 degrees, some are going to be more than 40 degrees, and finally, some are going to be more than 50 degrees. Before we're moving on to the numbers, we're going to have to talk about the freezing warning. So which is in Oakland. You're looking at Oakland in the state of Maryland. It's going to be freeze warning. That means it's going to be very, very cold. With the frost advisory, it's in Cumberland, Hagerstown, Frederick, Westminster, and Bel Air. Now to the numbers. We have nearly 40 degrees, which is in Oakland and Cumberland. More than 40 degrees, which is in Hagerstown, Frederick, Westminster, Washington, Annapolis, Baltimore, Bel Air, Elkton, and even more than 50 degrees, which is in Rock Hall, Cambridge, Salisbury, and Ocean City. Don't forget, nearly 50 degrees, which is in Easton. With the historical weather, average high 1 inch closer to 70 degrees. Average low fewer than 50 degrees. With the record high, we have 6 inch closer to 100 degrees with the year of 2019. Record low fewer than 30 degrees with the year of 1992. Average rainfall 4.3 inch. Today details. Expect sunny skies. The high will be 65 degrees. Night, the skies will be clear. The low will be 44 degrees. Sunrise, 7:09 a.m. Sunset, 6:36 p.m. Moonrise, 6:45 p.m. Moonset, 6:42 a.m. Moon phase, full moon. Precipitation, nothing on the percentage. Humidity, more than 30%. UV index, 4 moderate. Max wind, 9 miles per hour. Record rain, 1.13 inch with the year of 2005. Average rain, 0.17 inch. Temperatures, record high, more than 90 degrees, 2007. Record low, 31 degrees, 2001. Average high, more than 70 degrees. And finally, average low, more than 50 degrees. Like I said, Columbus Day tomorrow around 69 degrees, sunny. Now the rest of the forecast, besides tomorrow and today, Tuesday, 72 degrees, mostly sunny. Wednesday, 70 degrees, partly sunny. Thursday, 67 degrees, heavy thunderstorms. You better watch out with these thunderstorms. Friday, 66 degrees, partly sunny. Saturday, 66 degrees also. But it's going to be different than the partly sunny. But it's going to be sunny on Saturday. Sunday, 70 degrees, partly sunny. Same thing. But you notice they changed the icon of partly sunny. But other than that, it's going to be 58 degrees with the next week of Monday. And finally, same thing. Yeah, that's right. Same thing. Partly sunny are going to be 60 degrees. Now, here's the breakdowns. So tomorrow, Saturday, and that's it, are going to be sunny. The only mostly sunny that we're going to get is in Tuesday. The only heavy thunderstorms we will get, which is around Thursday. And then Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, Monday, and then Tuesday is definitely going to be partly sunny.